Let me show you again, the whole point of this video is to show you like how simple I keep the process for everyone. Since posting that last video showing off kind of one of the overlays I was making for my client, I have had a lot of questions about how does it work, how do I use it, how can I set it up, is it a pain in the ass, I'm not too familiar with OBS. I wanted to make this video kind of just give you an overview and show you kind of what the process is here to get set up. And so this is one of my recent customers that I have made the overlay and some graphics and stuff. I'm going to go ahead and show you what this kind of looks like just to give you a sample of exactly the type of work that I'm providing to people. All the overlays are custom, so it's designed to be your brand. I've created, logos and created like brand themes for people before, but in this instance, Jumbo's card breaks, he had already had a logo and a brand, so I'll take that, I get the requirements for what they're actually looking for, and then I build around that, send it to you, get approval on like the rough draft. Once you say yes, that's okay, or maybe let's change this, let's change that, let's add this, I'll send everything over to you, and then we can schedule a time to actually get on a call. I'll walk you through setting this up. I do provide instructions as well. I do provide everything you need to make this as easy as possible. You already know at TSU, I'm all about efficiencies and trying to make systems and processes that can actually save you time, so you can then focus back on running and growing your business. So here's what this overlay kind of looks like, kind of blown up. So you'll open up the little interact option down here, and then this allows you can kind of put this off to the side. It's not like a break thing or anything, so I can get that off the screen, and then you can go ahead and as you go through, choose your options for people who are getting sold. If you choose to get the extension for automation, you will get that installed on your Chrome browser. It'll take like 2 minutes, and then that will automatically detect the purchases and fill in the buyer's names and the team assignments. So you have a reference. No more, you don't have to use sheets anymore. It's easy as that. You keep this off to the side. Somebody buys something, boom, you click, enter their name right here, and done. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of show you like some of the things, the other features I have on here, right? So this is, again, like I said, is branded. You can see I already got it with the scroll text set up for him. So all you gotta do is go in there, change whatever you want, like, hey, follow us on Instagram, watch my videos on YouTube, use this promo code, get $5 off, whatever. And then we also have some nice little overlays here for like pick 3. We got the animated one that's sitting, it's gonna come over the camera, and you can change these however you want. And so that's gonna stay there until I change it, the event's over, the promotion's over, or I switch to something else. Like we could do the pick 2, kind of, little cool animations. My favorite so far is the Stasher Pass. This thing is pretty awesome. So you can see you got Stasher Pass active. This is a very common kind of promotion, I guess we would say. I think I mentioned like you can set up different sports. He's got the MLB, he's got NFL, he's got NBA. I even have like Pokemon breaks. I'm also working on NFL division breaks, assigning people a division or people are auctioning for divisions. And so I got that getting set up, so I'll be showing that one off here soon. But let me show you again, the whole point of this video is to show you like how simple I keep the process for everyone. So I got like this little test one set up. So all you see here is I got a scene. There's a scene set up, there's a mic and a video capture device, right? And that video capture device is not working because I'm actually recording right now. This is, where was I? Okay, yeah, so you can see I got just like a basic little empty scene set up here. Really not going to matter. This is just for the points of demonstration. When I send you your package, you're going to get your instructions. I'll put up a little sample here of what, so you can see in your folder, you're going to go ahead and end up with your graphics that I made for you, your questionnaire that you filled out when requesting an overlay. You're going to get the animated graphics, the videos there, the logo, whatever there is. You're going to get this folder for the extension for the automation folder, and then you'll get this JSON file here, which is what we're going to use to import the scene for you. So you'll get this whole folder, and you'll save this folder in, like, let's say your documents, or if you have a specific folder you like to save your stuff in, or your business folder. I'd recommend you put that there. It comes zipped. So you would just unzip it, which you just right click on it, extract all, and then you choose your destination, and you'll have that there. Once you get that, then you'll come over here to your scene collections, and you'll just do import. So then you're going to go find that JSON file that I just showed you that's in that folder that I sent you. Then click those 3 little buttons, you'll navigate to where that folder is, and then you'll go ahead and double click that, or just click it and hit OK. You'll come here, you'll see you got it there, and you'll hit import. And then what you'll do is you'll come back up to your scene collection. So you'll see that it says Lenhart 22, and so you'll click on that, and that literally has the same folder structure. So all the images and everything's aligned. I already have the overlay board connected for you, synced up with the server, put everything there in kind of a fashion that I think you would like. Everything's set up here in the sources, nice and named. Like you can see, I got Stas, a dyslexic, or just very tired. So Stasher Pass, you got the group, you got the pick 2, pick 3, you got the camera. The camera's obviously not going to work because you don't have the same camera as I do. Even if you do, you still got to sync it up. So really, you'll go in here, you'll hit properties, and you have your drop down list. Your camera should be there for previous use. You'll just select that and then pop that up. Boom, everything's good to go. There's also an iPhone camera here, so I already got the iOS. So if you already have the plugin, if you're already using the iPhone, then you should just be able to do the same thing there, change the properties and select your phone on there. The mic's set up here for you, so you'd have to add you wouldn't have to, but I did that because I already have the filters and everything on there for like some good sound quality. And so if you wanted to, you can actually just go ahead and add your mic as a source instead of just having it here in the audio mixer. And then everything here, this was just my placeholder. I use that. You can delete that, and then everything's pretty much set. So then I got the folder here with the overlay, so that's the actual overlay, and then I got the scroll text. So if you want to update that, you can just come here and do that right there. If you did choose to get the automation extension for your browser, it's pretty simple. All you would do is you would go to Chrome, the Chrome extensions link right there, and then you would come to here to this load unpack, and then that will ask you to choose a folder, and then you would just navigate to that extensions folder that was inside of the folder that I sent you, and then good to go. So if you guys need anything with OBS, or if you want help setting up your OBS, or Pokemon Sports, if you want to get some graphics like this for your stream, use the link in the description below or scan the QR code, and we'll get connected, and I can figure out exactly how I can help you get your stream going looking all professional, crisp, and amazing, just like this one right here. And with that, I'm going to catch you guys on the next one.